Back in 2010, my wife had told me she wanted a divorce, and I told her she was gonna have to file. I tried to get her to go through counseling, and she refused. So she ended up filing in Jeffersonville. Then a little while later, while we were going through the divorce there, I had got some information saying that she was going to leave and with my son, and that she was going to leave state. So I ended up kind of freaking out while I was at work, and really, truly, I was scared what was going to happen with my son, and I knew I had to find a lawyer instantly. So I began looking online and trying to find a lawyer that would fight for men and in these situations, and I come across Stan, and so I called him and began talking with him, and I knew just speaking with him and his demeanor, I knew that I felt like he would be good, just because of how he come across, and he comes across a little intimidating, but you knew he meant business. He was serious. He means business about taking care of that child. He is truly compassionate about getting the families the help that they need, the dads the help that they need with their children, getting the dads their rights and with their children. Then a little while, we had got through that situation of getting an emergency order to keep her in the state. Then a little while later, maybe a couple years later, we ended up in a custody battle over school, and then it had to do with some safety issues. Stan just wasn't having it. We knew that with everything in us that Stan was going to help us get through this, and we were going to have a positive outcome in this case. Stan's very compassionate about taking care of his clients, and he really is true and truly wants to help his people. I highly recommend Stan to anyone that goes through any of these situations, custody battles and divorces. He'll shoot you straight, and there's a lot of lawyers out there, and you don't know who you're going to get. I've dealt with a few myself, and I tell you, I believe that Stan's probably one of the most honest ones I've dealt with so far, and Stan will be up front with you. He'll be straight to the point. He'll tell you you're a fool when you're a fool, and anyhow, he will take care of you, and I highly recommend him.